Hello guys, I am Godknows Chihota, a man from Tego. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Remember to click subscribe button so that we can create more new videos for you. Just for today, we just want to continue with our database. So want to create a query today. So I'll open my database, the database of Tego Soft Kanban. So what I'm going to do right now, I want to create a query. So this is our table which I want to use to create a query. So I want to create a query that will show all employees of Tego Soft who are managers. So what I'm going to do here, we see that you have got 1, 2, 3. You have got the 3 managers at Tego Soft Kanban. So I want to create a query that will show all managers. For example, we may have more than 300 employees of Tego Soft. So we need to create a query that can show us just a single title. So what I need to do right now, I will click create tab. All these are tabs, boys and girls. So this is the home tab, this is the create tab, this is the external data, this is the database tools, this is the field, this is the table. All these are tabs. We call them tabs. So I'll click on create tab. So if I click this create tab icon, so I'll select query wizard for me to create a query. You can also use query design, but just for now, since we are getting started in Microsoft Access, what I need to do, I'll click create wizard and then I'll click OK here, symbol query wizard, and then I want to click OK. So I want to select all my fields, the fields which are available, to select them. So I'll click this icon so that I can select all the fields, or else I can select an individual field by clicking this greater than sign or clicking these 2 signs. So I'll click these 2 signs and then click on next. So what I need to do right now, I do not want summary, so I will click next. So what title do you want to give for your query? Here I can type the name of my title of my query. So what I need to do right now, I want to say Tego employees managers. That's the name of my Tego employees managers. That's the name of my query. So what I need to do, I will click modify the query design and then click finish. So here I can create my query. We've got fields, you've got the tables, we've got sort. Here we can sort in ascending order. We can click this drop down arrow so that we can sort our ID in ascending order or descending order, and then we can also, you've got show, so that it will show the fields, and then you've got criteria. So in this row, which is actually aligned with criteria, so what I need to do right now in this row of criteria, I'll go to title and then search for our query. We just want to search for all employees who are managers. So what I'm going to do right now, I'll say like, and then I want to write the title. I want the title is managers of Tego Soft. So I write my title manager, and then I'll click in any box here. You can see that you have got these stars, these quotes. This tells me that my query is recognized by the database. So after that, what I need to do right now on this design view, I'll click run. So this is my query which shows me all employees who are managers at Tego Soft Kanban. All employees who are managers are here. So you can see that this is our query. That's how can we design our queries. So we have got the title of my query is Tego employees managers. Hoping you enjoyed this powerful tutorial. Looking forward to see you in the next video when I'll be talking about how can we create another type of a query which is not a simple query. If you didn't want to miss the next video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.